Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your ColorGATE license from one computer to the next. So let's say you got a new computer and you want to transfer your license, or you have a new operator and you want to provide them the license on their computer. Now remember, these licenses are only one per computer, so only one unit can run the license. You can't run multiple computers with that same license. So let's get started. We're going to go to our Windows Edge and we're going to go to colorgate.com/support. We're going to go ahead and log into our account. Once we're logged in, we're going to go to menu. We're going to go to accounts and license. We're going to select the license tab and we're going to select our license here and we're going to release it. Once it's released, you want to go over to the new computer, and again, you're going to go into colorgate.com/support. You want to log into your account again and you're going to go to menu, software, and we're going to select production server. And depending on the license you have or the version, you'll select from one of these versions here. So if you're running on the RI4000, you would select PS24, which is the newest version. You click right here to download. Once that's downloaded, we're going to download a min package. Now the min package needs to match the print you're using. So in this case, it would be the RI4000, which is right here. We select this icon here to download it. Once it's downloaded, we can go to our download folder. And then we will look for the ColorGATE software that's downloaded on there. Once you download it, we just double click on it with the mouse key, left mouse key, and then we just follow the prompts. Once you get halfway through the installation, it's going to ask you to upload the min packages. That's the one that we downloaded last. If you guys need more help, please feel free to contact RICOH Tech Support. I'll leave their contact information below in the description. And thank you guys for joining us.